Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term why. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, why is an abbreviation for highway. People use it when texting or navigating to refer quickly to major roads. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Kwai first showed up in 20th century road signage and shorthand communication. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among drivers and texters. Now let's check out how to use Kwai in a sentence. Correct example 1. We took the Kwai to avoid city traffic and get there faster. Correct example 2. Hey, meet me off the Kwai exit near the mall. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said why at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using why right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap means an abbreviation for highway. It started in 20th century signage, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with why in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.